Two are slips. One is slip and jab. Two is slip across. Three is roll the right hook. Four is roll the left hook. Okay? So in a fight, it would look like this. You can throw a 1, 2, 3. I'm going to throw a right hook. You can get underneath. So just hit it 1, 2, 3. Oh, all right. I'm throwing a tight hook trying to get him. It's not going to work with paddle. All right. He's going to go 1, 2, 3 and freeze. He follows his momentum this way. I take my arm. I make a nice, long, straight chop through this jawline to make sure he gets underneath. Okay, so, and he'll throw a 3-punch return. So 3, 2, get underneath. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, keep going, keep going. Which hand's ready to hit me? Until you turn shoulders. You can use good shoulder. Hook, hook, cross, hook. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hook, cross, hook. Okay, and then number 4 is the same thing, but he's going to continue with that 2, 3, 2 at the end. Jab, cross, hook, cross. 2, 3, 2. All right. Now, when your partner struggles with that roll, sometimes throw a right hook at me. Sometimes guys go straight up and straight down. Do it again. Go do this. Okay, that's not good. You guys, you want to stay up, but I want to use these. I'm basically doing 2 slips with a dip in between slip, dip, slip the other way, and I'm ready to go. Head movement, right? So the way I'll work with guys, hands up, do not roll. Throw your hook. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, freeze. I set it on his shoulder. I don't move. Make it go to your other shoulder. Boom. 3, 2, 3. Okay? I can set it there, let him go slowly and try to figure out his motion to get it back. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to your other shoulder. Let him do the work so that we don't help him out too much. Otherwise, you can just duck and things like that. Take your time. You're going to do number 3, 3 times in a row. Number 4, 3 times in a row. Like your partner. So let's go back to the partner.